What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's doing good. Today, as you might know, Terrarium is officially dead, but there's a new one. Let's get to it. First thing first, let's go to settings. And we're gonna go to device and then scroll down to developer, and we're gonna have to turn on ABD debugging and apps from unknown sources. Make sure both of them are on. Go back and hit the home button on your remote control, and also you gotta go to preferences and turn off interest based on for your privacy. Now we go back to the home button. Sorry about that. And we're gonna go to the search area, and you're gonna type in downloader. If you already have it, then ignore this step. Go ahead and download that downloader, install it, and we're gonna use it in a moment. Alright, after you have it downloaded and installed, open it up. And we're gonna go to the browser. Delete whatever it's in there, and we're gonna type in a new URL. It's right there in the bottom. It's get.droidadmin.com. and hit go. It would download the app, which is file link. It will automatically download it, and hit install. Just give it a moment and hit done. Then delete the file and hit delete. Now hit the home button on your remote control, and let's open the new app we just installed. Right there, file link, open it up. And you're gonna go click where to enter the code. And type in that code 911-72083, which is my file length store, and hit continue. Hit dismiss. And those are some of the APKs. You can choose whatever you want, but for today we're gonna focus on Terrarium, the new one. And also make sure you have MX Player. So go ahead and download the Terrarium TV. And before we install Terrarium, we need to remove the old one. It's very important. So go ahead, hit the home button on your remote control. We're gonna go back to settings, and then applications. We're gonna scroll down to manage installed applications. We're gonna find the old Terrarium TV. Let's scroll down till you find it. And we're gonna force stop it if it was running before. Then we're gonna have to clear the data and caches. And then we're gonna have to uninstall it completely. Just remove it. Now we're done with this. Hit the home button on your remote control. I'm gonna go back and reopen the file link. It will take us back to where the APKs are, and we're gonna select Terrarium. We're gonna go ahead and install it. Hit done. And if you don't have MX Player, go ahead and do the same thing. Download it and install it. We need that one to play anything from Terrarium TV. Okay, so hit the home button on your remote control and let's find the new Terrarium TV and open it up. Normally the old Terrarium TV, when you choose the movies, you will get no data, but with this one it will work just fine. I already tested it out. I watched a couple movies. It's playing and working perfect. So hit accept and go to the top left to choose movies. Voila, that's it. That's all you have to do. Hope you like the video. Subscribe and like, and enjoy watching your movies. Have a good one.